In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a stock photo for many purposes. Stock photos are used popularly because it does not give you copyright. This can be used freely in any of your work. Like you can use this for YouTube thumbnail, for making YouTube videos. Okay, now you can search for your topic, like what photos do you want. Like if I search for technology, will give us the photos. You can use these all photos for any of your work. It will not give you any copyright. Okay, if I want this photo for my website or for my YouTube, then again, look, I can click on free download, and then okay, like I can click on save images, and then like look, it will be saved. Look, I got this photo, and this is so clean and high quality. You can use it for any purpose.